my name is Nisha Thakur and I am a maths online tutor. In this series, we are doing exponential functions. We already discussed graphs of exponential functions in my last two videos. The exponential function fx is equal to a to the power x, a greater than 0 and a not equal to 1. It has domain R, all real numbers, and range 0 to infinity. The line y equal to 0, or we can say the x-axis, is a horizontal asymptote of f. The graph of f has one of the following shapes. So if a greater than 1, so graph looks like this, and if a between 0 to 1, so graph looks like this, and y-intercept at 0, 1. Today we will discuss about transformations of exponential functions. So use the graph of fx is equal to 2 to the power x to sketch the graph of each function. Here given three questions, gx, hx and kx. So we can observe which type of transformations. Fx is equal to 2 to the power x. Here a value is 2, which is more than 1. It means graph looks like this. And gx is given here 1 plus 2 to the power x. It means graph shift 1 unit upside. So we can say that to obtain the graph of gx is equal to 1 plus 2x, we start with the graph of fx 2 to the power x and shift 1 unit upward. And here y is equal to 1 is a horizontal asymptote. Now here y-intercept at 0 2 and horizontal asymptote y equal 1. Now B question, hx is equal to minus 2 to the power x. Again we start with the graph of fx is equal to 2 to the power x, but here we reflect in the x-axis to get the graph of hx is equal to minus 2 to the power x. Now C question, kx is equal to 2 to the power x minus 1. In this question, we start with the graph of fx is equal to 2 to the power x and shift it to the right by 1 unit to get the graph of kx is equal to 2 to the power x minus 1. So these questions really easy. You can easily see transformations of the graph and really easy questions. But if you have any doubt, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.